want to take off these bolts over here so you can move this without spilling all of your what do you call it, your fluid out. They're gonna be a 10 millimeter. Alright, there's gonna be a bolt right there, like right there, and it's gonna be a 12 millimeter. You can use a little ratchet or your normal ratchet. Alright, so to make this a lot easier, you might want to lift up your vehicle to like have more space to move around. After you do that, there's gonna be another bolt right there. It's gonna be a 12 millimeter. You can use your little ratchet or a normal one. And after that, there's gonna be another bolt right here, which is gonna be a 10 millimeter. It's gonna be just like that on top of this line. You can use a little ratchet or a big one. And after you do all of that, the lines are gonna move freely down here. You're just gonna have to disconnect them from over there. After you remove the lines, you might want to lower the vehicle down again. And every time you're lifting the vehicle up, always find the highest point of the vehicle where you can lay down properly. And in case of a jack failure, always have jack stands up. Next up, you're gonna want to remove this bolt. It's gonna be a 17 millimeter. When you're removing this bolt, it's gonna turn around like that. You just have to use a little bit of force to it. It's gonna be another 10 millimeter right there where my ratchet is. The bolt that was on the bracket, you can just twist this out a little bit. Eventually you'll manage to get it out. This is why I needed to replace it. The lines were just worn out. You see how it's moving? It shouldn't do that. For the other line that was attached to the power steering, you're gonna have to take it out from underneath over here because it has this large metal pipe and you can't even bend it. So after all of that, the lines are out and we now are able to install the new parts. Alright, so these are the new parts. It's gonna come with two extra lines. You're gonna want to connect this line to over there. And an easier way just to get the clamps on, put the clamps on first and then slide them in. You want to take out that part, or you can get a new one to put right there. When you're going to put that thing back on, you might want to replace these copper things. I don't know what they're called. It just comes with new ones. Before installing that, you want to install the clamp down there so the lines don't move around while you're driving the vehicle. Alright, so I just discovered something. The kit that I got, it's for the Tundra that has the power steering cooler too. But you can just take it out. It's just like that type of clips. You can take it out and you can use the lines that you need. I don't know why, but my lines are not going in all the way because AutoZone. Next up, you want to reinstall your stabilizer bar. You can remove it. I just don't have it on because I have a 3-inch lift. Want to lift out the vehicle, or you don't have to, it's just easier. You're gonna want to reinstall that bolt right there and the two lines there. The kit is gonna come with new bushing. So before installing that, you want to install the clamp down there so the lines don't move around while you're driving the vehicle. As you see, I mounted the lines to the bracket. You don't want to leave them loose because if not, they're gonna be rattling around while you drive the vehicle. Lift up the vehicle again just a little bit, enough for the wheels to turn around freely because we might want to bleed the system out. Alright, when you start the vehicle, you're going to want to start it 5 seconds and then shut it off because it's going to drain all the fluid out of the reservoir and it's going to go into the lines. The oil that you see right there is from my tranny. I need to fix that. And I don't see any leaks from the power steering system anywhere, okay? Alright, go on a little drive after you do all of that. If it's possible, drive around your own house. But mine is already good. So thank you for watching and leave a like.